have the Samsung Galaxy S25, and I'll be showing you how to use artificial intelligence or the Galaxy AI to add any item or any object you want into any photo. So let's go to our gallery and pick a photo. I'm just going to pick this one, for instance. And we have, you can see this is the sky at dusk, but this photo looks plain. So you can imagine anything, let's say an aeroplane crossing across. So how do we add an aeroplane into this picture? You can actually use AI to do that. So if you go into the AI button, tap on it, and then tap continue, and then it says, of course, all this stuff. You can read that and say okay. If it's the first time, you're going to go through that process. But now, from now on, you have opened the photo in the AI editor. And so if you scroll at the bottom here, you have an option called sketch to image. Okay, now let's draw an airplane here, because you're sketching to image. You're trying to do a sketch, and we hope that sketch will turn out into a photo. So I'm just going to expand the picture a bit, because I don't really want to draw a very big plane. I'm just going to expand the picture and then draw what I think a plane looks like. So I'm just going to draw a plane like this, maybe like this, and I'm hoping AI will think I've drawn a plane like that. Okay, and then once I finish drawing, now of course you can use the stylus for a better drawing, but I'm just trying to do this quickly. So I'm gonna hit generate, and let's see what AI comes up with. There you go. So as you can see, AI has actually added a plane, a real looking plane, into my photo. So I can now tap on save copy, tap on get it, and it's going to save a copy of that particular image with an actual plane, as you can see. All right, obviously this is something I cannot draw, but I'm using artificial intelligence, sketch to image, to add a plane to my picture. So you can see this is the original picture. This is the picture with a plane that was not there. I added it using AI. Okay, so that's how you can do that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.